looking good. Okay, now.
And here is the oxtail.
Oxtail, yummy. Now, baby, chuck it in. These are nice big pieces of oxtail.
Very cute.
Oh. Okay. I want this just to grill up a bit. Raise it up a bit for a little while. And then it's simmer. And then we'll check again now. Let me just check the meat. Oh man, you guys must hear this. It is good.
Boiling so nicely.
It is beautiful at this point. Oh man. Really good. You can add the stock now.
Grabbed a couple days, just me and you. Then we start talking the way that we do.
Oh, man. That is looking really good. Maybe why don't you get me another glass of hot water?
Things in life can make a man. Little moments that pass us by. Oh, but
It's looking really good, guys. For those of you that do eat oxtail, and I know South African brothers, you're all with yours. Definitely a thing to do when you're camping. Nice Poitjie, relaxing music, nice wine or a nice beer. There we go. Now, it's nice and seared. We'll let this boil away. And yeah, for the next couple of hours, this is going to be sitting in boiling in nice. See you guys soon.
I just said please.
Right, and there we go. Here's a nice Poitjie. Give it a stir. Looking really, really yummy. Boiling away. This normally takes a while. So we'll just let it simmer away and cook away. Yeah. Looking good, guys. Looking really, really good. Enjoy!
This little fan is the best thing we ever bought in the Kruger last year. It is amazing. Instead of a newspaper or blowing it with your mouth, whatever, it's incredible.
It is. It really is. I think I need to put some more coals on there, though. Now, what are you doing? Well. Okay. Guys, briquettes is the best.
It lasts very quickly and it lasts a long time.
Yeah, we stuck with the charcoal here, but we will use this for now. I love you too. And there we go. Our Poitjie is ready. Oh, yummy. Look at this.
Oxtail.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Say it, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oxtail. Enjoy, guys. Catch you on the next one. Some good music, good feed, and we really need a new tripod. Action! That's Brana.